Check out this 2011 Kia Sorento X. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear AC, pass-through rear seat, bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, cruise control, rear defrost, passenger illuminated visor mirror, rear spoiler, and integrated turn signal mirrors. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.